All right, so you have got the syllabus for the revision test. I have intimated in the group. So have you got the syllabus, everyone? So revision test 1 is of, what is the syllabus in the RT1? Chapter number 1, 5 and 6. First chapter is computer system and 5th and 6th chapter is QBasic. Okay, so this is the syllabus of your test. And today we are going to revise chapter number 5 and 6, that is QBasic. Okay, revision of QBasic we are going to start. So keep your notebooks with you, everyone. Be quick. Keep your rough notebooks with you. Okay, the first question, QBasic was developed by which company developed the QBasic? Batao. Learn it side by side. QBasic was developed by Micro. Speak out the answer. Microsoft in the year 1980.
1985.
Very good. QBasic was developed by Microsoft in the year 1985. Okay, any doubt? Any doubt? Okay, next, write the syntax. Write the use, syntax and example of following QBasic statements. Write the use, syntax and example of following QBasic statements. So number 1, CLS. What is the use of CLS? CLS is used to clear the, I want answers from you people, louder. CLS is used to clear the
Output window.
output screen, right? Output window or output screen. With the help of CLS, we can able to clear the output screen. And CLS stands for clear screen.
Clear screen.
Clear screen.
CLS, that is
Clear screen.
Clear screen.
Okay. Next is RAM. RAM stands for RAM
To
stands
give a remark in
To give a
yes
give a
remark.
remark
Remark.
that is used to give
Remark.
what's
Some
the
notes
use
in
of
a
RAM
program.
Yes, Gaurish.
RAM statement is used to give to write some notes in the program.
Right. It is used to give some notes or comments in the program. Okay.
Program.
What's the syntax of RAM? Syntax of
RAM is equal to RAM. Yes, ma'am. RAM
So
command.
this way you are going to write the syntax of CLS.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
हाँ जी.
यस मैम, जो आपने जब ग्राफिक्स इनके बेसिक चैप्टर करवाया था तो मैम उसके स्टार्टिंग में आपने कुछ हमारे को बेसिक्स करवाए थे कि लाइक किसने डेवलप किया था और एंड व्हाट आर द एप्स यूज्ड इन इट. तो मैम हम वो सब कुछ हमारे एग्जाम में आएगा हमें?
No, बच्चे, that is just for the understanding, because if the base are not clear, then you cannot proceed further. So that's why firstly I
Okay,
clear
ma'am.
the basics of the chapter. Okay.
Excuse me,
Okay,
ma'am.
ma'am.
हाँ जी बच्चे.
यस मैम. मैम जैसे आपने ये इसके जो सारे हैं CLS, RAM, प्रिंट, मैम इनकी जैसे आपने फुल फॉर्म्स करवाई हैं मैम, जैसे ये बुक में तो अभी गिवन नहीं है, तो ये हमें एग्जाम में आ जाएंगी?
Yes, बच्चे, you have to do, because the statements are given in the book. Okay, so you have to do.
But
Alright.
and ma'am, their syntax are also not mentioned in the books.
But we have to do the syntax because syntax is related with the term only. Okay, because they are assuming you have already covered in the class 6. But class 6 में हमने QBasic नहीं करी होगी ना, right? So that's why we are doing that. So RAM comment, RAM program to add 2 numbers. So you can give any comment in the program using a RAM statement. Is this clear? First 2 statements are clear. Now next is the N. N is the, what is the use of N? N statement
terminates a
is used
program.
It is used to terminate a program.
Very good. It is used to terminate the program, and RAM is to be written at the last line of the program. This is the last line of a program. Okay. end is the last line of a program. So syntax, nothing, just you simply have to write the end, and same way you can simply write end at the last of the program. Any program, any or statement you will write after the end, that will not be executed. Any statement after the end, it will not get executed. We have done practically also, remember?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes?
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So any doubt in the first three statements to anyone?
No, ma'am.
मैम बस ये 1 मिनट स्लाइड ना ये पे ऐसे ही रहने देना मैम, इसको इरेज मत करना.
Okay, okay. But be quick, बच्चे, we have to revise.
Okay मैम.
Okay. So now next is the fourth statement, that is let. Let is called which type of a statement?
Ma'am, it is used to
Ma'am,
assign
it
a
is used to
value to a
assign a
variable.
value to a variable.
Very good. Let is an assignment statement.
Ma'am, its syntax is let variable is equal to value.
That is used to assign a value to a variable. आप let की help से एक variable को एक value assign करते हो, right? The syntax of let is let variable equal to
is equal to
value,
value.
right? So you can give any example according to you. So right now I'm taking just a simple example like let x equal to 100. So you can take any example. All right.
Yes, ma'am.
So let is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Now the next QBasic statement is input. Input is used to
Take data from the user.
take data from the user at runtime. It is used to take data or used to accept the data from the user at runtime. So different kinds of syntax are there. For example, if you are taking using some message, so you can give a message in the double quotes, then it's variable, right? या फिर आप डायरेक्टली भी कोई भी वेरिएबल को एंटर कर सकते हो without typing any message. Okay, so the example for the same input, enter your age, and I'm taking a variable age. And if you don't want to print any message, you can directly write input age. It's up to you whether you want to print message along with it or not. Okay, you can simply take a
जो हमने
variable
age
also.
लिखा है,
Yes.
मैम जो आपने एज लिखा था तो मैम वो हमें लिखना है लाइक कंपलसरी, क्योंकि मैम लाइक जो मैंने अपनी नोट्स वाली कॉपी पे सिंटेक्स जब हमने इनपुट का लिखा था तो मैम मैंने लाइक आगे एज मैंने मैं मेंशन नहीं की थी.
तो बच्चे वी हैव टू गिव सम वेरिएबल ने ना, आप क्या इनपुट करवा रहे हो, यू हैव टू टेक द वेरिएबल जिसको भी आपने इनपुट करवाना है फ्रॉम द यूजर. ओके,
यस मैम.
in
Yes,
case
ma'am.
of print you can directly print any message. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
should I raise the first three?
Yes, ma'am.
Sure, that is done by all.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
मैम बस थर्ड मतलब इरेज करना मैम, फर्स्ट
But
और
that
सेकंड
will
इरेज
be
कर दो.
erased collectively because that is in the single text box now, so it will be
Okay, ma'am.
erased. So just be quick.
1 second.
Done.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes ma'am, done.
Right. Okay, now coming on to the sixth statement of QBasic. So we have done CLS, input, let, rem, end, right? Now the last statement is print. Now what is the use of print? Print is an output statement.
Output statement.
That
It is used to get output of a program.
That is used to display output on the computer screen, right? Okay, and the syntax you can give. Now there are again different syntax for the print statement. Print, you can directly print any expression. You can print any message. You can print any value. Now the examples. For example, if I want to print any expression, a plus b minus c divided by d, whatever the expression you want to give, so the expression can also be printed. And if you want to print any message, hello, right? So this way you can print the message. And if you are printing some value, You can directly print A. अगर आपको वेरिएबल से नहीं प्रिंट करना तो डायरेक्टली आप कोई भी वैल्यू प्रिंट कर सकते हो, प्रिंट 50. And you can also print along with the message. Print my age is, and then the variable. So these are the different forms by which you can print your message. All right. Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Print is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
So these are the general QBasic statements, the basics. Okay. Statement number 4th and 5th done, bache? Let
Yes,
and
ma'am.
input.
Ma'am.
All right. So next we are going to start with the constants and variables. Now what are constants? Constants are the values which will not change during the program execution. जिनकी value fixed रहेगी, जिनकी value static रहेगी. तो आप इसमें next question add कर लो. Define constant, define variable. Define constant. Define
Ma'am,
variable.
I have a doubt.
Yes, बच्चे.
मैम अपने लाइक कांस्टेंट्स की जैसे हमारी 2 टाइप्स हैं, न्यूमेरिक कांस्टेंट्स एंड कैरेक्टर कांस्टेंट्स. तो मैम लाइक आपने बोला था कि कैरेक्टर कांस्टेंट्स को हमने लाइक कर
String
देना
constants
है,
लिखना है.
यस में स्ट्रिंग कांस्टेंट में कन्वर्ट कर देना है. तो मैम स्ट्रिंग कांस्टेंट्स की भी आगे 2 टाइप्स है, सिंगल कैरेक्टर कांस्टेंट्स एंड अगेंस्ट स्ट्रिंग कांस्टेंट. तो
Yes.
मैम मुझे कंफ्यूजन हो रही थी कि 2 टाइम्स कैसे स्ट्रिंग कांस्टेंट आ सकता है.
बच्चे if you are taking the we will be writing string constants, right? अगर हम डायरेक्टली ले रहे हैं कि 2 types of constants are numeric constants and string constant, बट अगर आप उसको bifurcate करो then you can give it a name as character constant. अगर आप उसकी bifurcation show करना चाहते हो, only then. All right?
Okay, ma'am. If we want to divide, then we will
Yeah.
like write character constant.
Yes, yes. So
Okay,
now
ma'am.
I'm taking a general chart for the constants. So constants are the values which will stay fixed, whose value will not be changed. Now 2 types of constants are, कौन से constants हैं हमारे पास?
Numeric constant
and
character constant.
yes, numeric and the other. बच्चे please mute at your end if someone is speaking at the back end. Okay, numeric constants and character constants. So these are the 2 types. Right? Character constants and numeric constants. Now further, numeric constants are of 2 types. What are those? Numeric constants.
Integer
कौन-कौन से हैं?
constants and real
Integer
constants.
constant
Yes,
and
integer
real constant.
constants. And the second one is
Real constants.
real constants. Okay, so integer constants means it can have 0, it can have positive number, or it can have negative number, right? Integer constants के examples क्या रहेंगी? It can have negative number, positive number, or
0.
0, right? For example, now I'm going to give the example here. Example 0, any positive number, any negative number, कोई भी number जब आप दे रहे हैं, that is a integer constants in which there is no fractional point. Got it? जहाँ पे कोई भी हमारे पास fractional point नहीं होगा, decimal number नहीं होगा, so that is a integer constants. Now what are real constants? Real constants means numbers with decimal. Now it can again be positive or negative. For example, if I'm writing 78.2, other example I'm giving minus 45.2, other example I'm giving 96.0. So whenever the number is in decimal or it's a fractional point, that means that are the real constants. Integer constants means either 0, either positive, or either the negative values. But whenever the number will be with the decimal point, that will be the real constants. The difference is clear between the two? Yes? Okay. So numeric constants, integer constants, and real constants. Okay. Similarly, now character constants is of two types, that is string constant and single character. Single character means, single character का क्या meaning है? Means only one alphabet will be there. So single character में हम ले रहे हैं, for example, if I am giving E, I am writing M. So means one character only, one alphabet. So that is a single character constants. Any doubt in this? Now same way the second one is string constants. String constants मतलब है बच्चा, when there will be a multiple characters, more than one character will be there. For example, if I am writing hello, I am writing Jalandhar, means combination of characters are there, multiple characters are there. So when multiple characters are there, that is a string constant. So difference is clear between numeric constant and string constant, and then the different types of numeric constants and the character constants. Any doubt to anyone till now?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
No, ma'am.
बच्चे next are the variables. Now variable हमने constant में बात करी, the values will be fixed, whose value will be fixed, which will not change. Now variables are the values which will change during the program execution. For example, हम input में variable दे रहे हैं, और input जितनी बार आप program run करोगे, every time we have to give to the input statement. हर बारी हमें age enter करनी पड़ेगी, हर बारी हमें name enter करना पड़ेगा. So that is why the variables will change its value during the program execution. उनकी value change हो जाएगी. So again, variables are of two types. हमारे पास जो variables हैं उनकी भी दो types हैं. So two types of the variables are, number one, numeric variables. Now always remember, numeric variables will always store numeric constants. Okay, numeric variable will always store numeric constants. For example, numeric variable means any variable. I am taking age, and it will store only numeric value. The age is 20. अब 20 क्या है? Numeric value है, numeric constant है, और ये constant किस में जाके store हो रहा है? Numeric variable में. Now age is a numeric variable. Similarly, if I am saying the other example, marks. अब marks में क्या होते हैं? Numeric marks ही होते हैं. ये तो नहीं आपके marks alphabet में हम देते हैं, आपके marks हम number में ही देते हैं. So for storing the marks, again we will require a numeric variable. So marks is a numeric variable and 85 is a numeric constant. All right. Any other example give me? हाँ जी, who will tell? कोई एक और example बताओ जिसमें numeric variable use हो रहा हो. Any one example where you are storing the numeric variable and it is holding some numeric constant value. बताओ.
Ma'am, persons 35. Ma'am, persons 35.
Okay, number of persons in a firm you can take, right? Or you can take phone number. That is also, it will take number ना. Phone number में भी तो number ही होते हैं, right? You have to write. Okay, one more example. Percentage. Now percentage can be in the fraction. तो फ्रैक्शन तो हम कह ही रहे हैं कि न्यूमेरिक वेरिएबल ने न्यूमेरिक कांस्टेंट ही स्टोर करना है, चाहे वो इंटीजर कांस्टेंट है चाहे वो रियल कांस्टेंट है. न्यूमेरिक कांस्टेंट तो है ना, नंबर्स तो न्यूमेरिक कांस्टेंट है. इट कैन आइदर टेक पॉजिटिव वैल्यू, इट कैन आइदर टेक नेगेटिव वैल्यू. नाउ इफ आई एम टेकिंग टेम्परेचर, सो -3 डिग्री चल रहा है, राइट? तो मैंने नेगेटिव नंबर में ले लिया, तो है तो वो न्यूमेरिक कांस्टेंट ही है. सो इट विल बी स्टोर्ड इन द न्यूमेरिक वेरिएबल. Okay, now the second type is string variable. So again, the same concept of numeric variable. Similarly, string variables will also store string constants only. अब string constants, अब यहाँ पे मैं आपको एक छोटा सा नोट बता रही हूँ. जो string variables होते हैं बच्चे, string variables always ended with $sign. String variables will always end with $sign. and string constants always written inside the double quotes. Clear? String variables always end with $sign and string constants always to be written inside the double quotation marks. Now let's look at the example of these. So example of string variable, yes, name ले रही हूँ तो name alphabet है ना, उसमें numbers तो नहीं आएंगे, so it is a numeric, it is a string variable, so variable will end with $sign. So name dollar equal to, okay, अब नेम डॉलर वेरिएबल है तो वेरिएबल को मैंने किससे एंड करा है, $साइन से, एंड इट्स वैल्यू इज वीरू. नाउ वीरू इज अ स्ट्रिंग कांस्टेंट, सो इट विल बी रिटन इनसाइड द डबल कोट्स. सिमिलरली यू कैन राइट सिटी डॉलर Jalandhar. Any other example where you find the concept of string variables and string constants?
Country dollar.
Yes, you can
Canada.
take country dollar equal to India in double quotes. All right. The concept of numeric variable and string variable is clear? Sure?
Excuse me, ma'am.
हाँ जी बच्चे.
मैम अगर हम मैम $साइन लगा देते हैं साथ में तो मैम वो चेंज नहीं होती वैल्यू जो उसमें हमने डाली है.
नो नो, वैल्यू कैन बी चेंज, वेरिएबल की वैल्यू चेंज होती है. ये रूल है कि जो स्ट्रिंग वेरिएबल है वो $साइन के साथ ही एंड होगा. दिस इज अ रूल फॉर राइटिंग अ स्ट्रिंग वेरिएबल. और जो स्ट्रिंग वैल्यू का रूल क्या है कि स्ट्रिंग वैल्यू विल ऑलवेज बी इन दी डबल कोट्स.
ओके.
Okay. Now the next. So should I erase this diagram? Okay. Now the next question. What are pixels? Define resolution. Hanji, who will define now? What are pixels?
Ma'am, pixel refers to a single dot of a graphic image.
Yes. So pixel refers to a single dot on a graphic image. I'm not writing the answer, right? You can take it from page number 48. Okay. Define resolution.
Ma'am, amount of pixels per unit area on the.
The amount of pixels per unit area on the screen is called the resolution.
Correct. So resolution means the amount of pixels per unit area on the screen that defines the resolution of your screen. Which is the default mode of the screen in QBasic?
Screen 0.
Screen 0.
Right. Default mode of screen is 0. Can we change the mode of the screen?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
How?
Ma'am, by just typing
How
screen.
to change the screen modes?
Screen mode parameter.
Yes, ma'am, by using screen mode parameter.
By using screen command. Okay. We can change the screen mode. By default it is 0. That is the text mode. 0 मतलब है कि text mode में ही सिर्फ काम करेगा. जो input हमने सब कुछ किया, that is a text mode. But when you want to draw some graphics, आप graphics में काम करना चाहते हैं, so we have to change the mode of the screen from 0 to someone else, right? And we can change the screen modes by the command screen. Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay, now the next is how you can or what is the syntax of screen? Firstly, you have to learn
Screen mode parameter.
Parameter.
screen statement is used to set the screen resolution. Firstly, learn the definition. Screen command is used to set the screen resolution. The syntax for this command is screen mode parameter. Example, you can change it into any screen mode. For example, if I'm taking screen 10, right? Now there are so many screen modes that are available. You can look at the page number 47. According to the screen, there will be differ in resolution and along with the number of colors supported by that mode. हर मोड में different kind का resolution रहेगा along with the number of colors supported. Right? The screen statement is clear. Yes, बच्चे. नेक्स्ट इज द
Yes,
कलर
ma'am.
स्टेटमेंट. कलर स्टेटमेंट क्या करती है? कलर स्टेटमेंट इज यूज्ड
Is used to set
to set
screen
the screen
colors.
colors.
right, it is used to set screen colors for displaying text and ग्राफिक्स. अदरवाइज अगर आप स्क्रीन 0 में ही काम कर रहे होगे तो वो उसका टेक्स्ट का कलर ब्लैक ही देगा. बट व्हेन यू वांट टू चेंज इट, यू कैन चेंज द स्क्रीन मोड एंड देन यू कैन चेंज द कलर ऑफ द टेक्स्ट. So you can change the color of the text using the color statement. The syntax for this statement is color F,
Color F.
B,
Now
F,
color
B.
background.
where you have to write the full syntax, where F is foreground color and B is, very good, B is background color. So I hope the syntax is very much clear to you people. So simply you have to give the color codes. Now color codes are available from 0 to 15. The value of color codes can be 0 to 15. So this way you can set the color. So 5 here will be the background color and 8 will be the background color और 5 मेरा क्या रहेगा? Foreground color. 5 क्या है? magenta and 8 is equivalent to dark gray. So this way you can change the colors of the foreground as well as the background. But you do not have to learn the color code values कि 5 के against क्या color है, 9 के against क्या color है, because this we can do practically, right? So you need not to learn these codes. Simply you have to learn the syntax and how we can change just with the help of any example. Okay. So first two statements are clear. Now we are discussing the graphic statements. Earlier हमने basic statements पढ़ी हैं जिसमें हमने पढ़ा था let, rem, input, output, CLS and n. Now we are studying the graphic statements. So first statement is screen, which is used to set the screen resolution. The syntax is screen mode parameter. Color is used to set the screen colors for displaying the text and graphics. The syntax is color F, B, where F is foreground color and B is background color. To learn it right now, learn the use, syntax and example of these two statements. Be quick. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now the next statement is line. So line statement is used
Used
to draw
draw a straight line.
straight line between 2 points. Line statement से क्या होती है? एक straight line appear होती है between the 2 points. Now line is having 2 end points, first end point and the last end point. Starting से लेके आप last तक एक line draw करोगे, which is used to draw between the 2 points. Okay. Now the syntax of line statement.
Line
Line.
at bracket open x1,
Now you have to specify the
comma
coordinates.
x2.
So x1 and y1 means the starting point. जहां से आपने line start करनी है. So this is the starting point. Then next x2.
Then bracket open x2 and y2.
X2,
So this is
Y2.
x2 y2 means the last point of the line. जहां तक आप line को लेके जाओगे. Okay, x1
मैम उसके
y1.
बाद हमने ये मेंशन करना है कि x1 and y1 are the starting coordinates and
Yes,
x2
yes.
and
In
y2
the
are the
syntax
ending
you have to
coordinates.
tell. Yes, in the syntax you have to write. Like the way I'm doing. Where जैसे हमने f, b का बताया था, same way you have to tell where x1 and y1 is the starting coordinates. These are the starting coordinates of a line, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And x2, y2.
Ending coordinates of a line.
Right. These are the end coordinates or ending coordinates of the line. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
X is clear, so you can give any example. You can take any coordinates. And then the last one is the color. Color means of a specific color, जिस color से आप line को draw करना चाहते हो.
Excuse me, ma'am. I have a doubt.
Where x1, y1, x2, y2 and color is color of the line. Right? Clear है?
यस मैम। मैम लाइक अगर जो स्क्रीन स्विचिंग बिटवीन स्क्रीन जो सिंटेक्स था, उसका जो सिंटेक्स है वो स्क्रीन मोड पैरामीटर था। तो मैम वो स्क्रीन जो हमने लिखना है वो बुक में हमें कैपिटल लेटर्स में दिया है, तो अगर
There is
मैम
no
हम
hard
एग्जाम
and
में
fast rule. No, बच्चे, there is no and hard fast rule. You can write in the uppercase or you can write in lower because both the statements will work in QBasic.
ओके मैम।
अगर आपने प्रैक्टिकल करके देखा होगा तो आप दोनों स्टेटमेंट्स रन करके देख लो, कैपिटल एंड लोअर, इट विल वर्क सेम। ओके,
ओके मैम।
तो लाइन स्टेटमेंट का सिंटेक्स क्लियर है? यस
यस मैम।
मैम आई हैव अ डाउट।
हाँ जी बच्चे।
इसमें मैम हमें ऐसे आ सकते हैं, स्टार्टिंग कोऑर्डिनेट्स दिए हो सकते हैं जैसे 350 और 100। मैम इससे हमें ऐसे आ सकता है कि इसे कंस्ट्रक्ट करो ट्रायंगल या फिर रेक्टेंगल्स
Yes, yes, it can be there. Yes, both way can be there. Okay. Now next is the circle statement. So what will be the role of circle? It is used to draw
अ सर्कल,
a circle or ellipse or an arc
एन आर
of
of
a
a circle.
circle. Clear? Circle statement is used to draw a circle, ellipse or an arc of a circle. So syntax is circle,
सर्कल एक्स
then
वाई
coordinate, then radius, then C.
radius and then p.
Yes.
Ma'am, in book there is p.
कोई बात नहीं, you can take P or you can take C. अगर बुक में P दिया तो आप वो ले लो, otherwise we can take C also. Okay. So where X
Okay,
and
ma'am.
Y क्या है हमारा? That is the
Coordinates
center
that
coordinate,
specify the center location.
right? Center coordinate of a circle. X, Y is the center coordinate of a circle and R is
Radius of a
Color
radius
circle.
of circle
सॉरी मैम, रेडियस ऑफ सर्कल,
and P means
Color code.
कलर कोड।
right? So you can give any example. For example, if I want to draw in the center, that is 100 by 100, and I'm taking the radius of 50, and I want to draw in the color 9. So this way you just have to fill the coordinates, center point, the radius of the circle, and the color code by which you want to draw a circle. So any doubt?
No,
Screen,
ma'am.
रेडियस और
color,
कलर कोड
line
आगे
and
पीछे हो
circle.
सकते हैं
हाँ जी बच्चे।
मैम, कलर कोड और रेडियस आगे
No,
पीछे हो
no.
सकते हैं।
Firstly, you have to depict the radius and then will be the color code. आप आगे पीछे नहीं करोगे.
Okay.
Syntax is firstly you have to write the radius and then you have to depict the color by which the circle will be drawn. All right.
ओके मैम।
So
Yes,
that's all
ma'am.
for the today. Do revise these topics once again, and tomorrow we are going to continue from the next statement. Okay? इसको आज अच्छे से रिवाइज करना है जितना भी हमने क्लास में आज डिस्कस करा है. All
Okay,
right.
ma'am.
Okay. Take care, बच्चे. See you tomorrow.
ओके मैम, थैंक यू
Thank you,
मैम।
ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.